Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to fix Outlook is not opening in a browser. So guys, first thing that you will do is simply go ahead and go to your browser, three dots over here in the top right corner, and after that just simply go for the help, and here go for about Google Chrome. Now from here guys, just make sure you are running the latest version of your browser, and when there is an update you should be able to install it over here. And another option that you have is just simply go for the privacy and security over here on the left side and go for the delete browsing data, and from here just simply select the time range as all time, and just make sure to select cookies and other site data and cached images and files, and just simply select delete data, and you should be able to reset the Google Chrome and you should be able to fix the issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya.